Hello everyone, I'm back. Today, we're taking on an extreme challenge to test the grip of Lego vehicles. Lego cars driving across a bridge made of ping-pong balls. Will it make it? Let's find out. These ping-pong balls will roll as soon as the wheels touch them. Now, let me assemble the grip tank. The balls are super slippery. It makes the grip tank wobble. But no problem, it inches its way to the finish. Next, I'll swap out the spiked tank treads for big rubber wheels. Introducing the black wheels. The ping-pong balls keep rolling. The car can't move forward at all. Up next is the Mega Roller Tank. Wow! It zooms straight to the finish. So awesome! Try again. This time, it falls right off the bridge. Now, let's build the Spike Track Master, a super long vehicle with spiked wheels. Oh no! It falls off too. On the retry, the wheels get stuck. Moving on to vehicle number 5, the four-legged slider. It slides right off the ping-pong ball bridge. I'll try adding some Technic beams for extra grip. Oh no, still no luck. But I won't give up. Let's try one more time. Amazing! It finally makes it to the finish line successfully. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking on a brand new challenge. Lego cars driving on weird liquids. Which one do you think will make it through? Let's find out. There are 3 obstacles. First, I'll pour some flour. Next, a few candles scattered around. And finally, a mixture of flour and water. Ready? Let's start the challenge right away. Our first contestant is the rubber band-powered car. It's entering the flower path now. Oh no, it failed right at the first challenge. Now, let's see how the Star Leg Walker does. It's halfway through the flower road. Wow! It passed the first challenge. Now, let's watch it tackle the Candle Road. It made it. Next up, the mixture of flour and water. The wheels are getting stuck. Oh, it still reached the finish line. Starleg Walker is absolutely killing it. That was awesome! Let's see if the tracked pyramid can do even better. It's speeding through the flower road. Easily cruising onto the Candle Road. Wow, nothing's slowing it down. It's slowing down a bit in the mixture road now. Hope that it pulls through. Yes, tracked pyramid cleared the challenge. Our fourth warrior, Tracker Chassis, starting with the flower path. The wheels are sinking. Mission failed. Final contestant, dual-wheel drive vehicle. A lot of flour is sticking to the wheels, but it still made it through. Oh, it's having trouble with the candles. Can it turn things around? Oh no, it's over. So, we have two champions, Starleg Walker and Tracked Pyramid. Cheers for them. Hold on, it's not over yet. There's a second chance for the two losing cars. This time, the tracked chassis made it through two paths and is now heading for the mixture path. Come on! Yes, it finished. Next up, Rubber Band Power Car gets another shot at the candle path. Give it your best. Still can't make it through. Last chance on the mixture path. Can it finally succeed? Look, it's almost there. Push through. Oh no, another failure. Finally, the dual-wheel drive vehicle. I'll send it straight to the mixture path. It's almost climbing up. Nope. Stuck again. Hey everyone, I'm back. Let's see what today's new challenge is. It's a Lego off-road showdown. Which car will conquer all challenges? Let's find out. First up, the rolling trap challenge. Can the red car make it? The rear wheels are stuck. Red car fails. Next is the tractor. It's approaching the trap. Oh no, it failed too. Now, the tank is climbing the trap pretty well. It made it. Nice job. Let's watch that again. Switching to the rubber band car. It's stuck too. Another failure. Strange car. Sails through easily. Let's replay that. Time for the tire stack challenge. Red car goes first. Putting in the effort. The wheels are tilting.
Nope.
It toppled over. Let's take another look. Let's see the tractor in action. Aha! It's popping a wheelie. Didn't get the win. Back to the tank. Wow, great climbing. It cleared it. What about the rubber band car? Not looking good. Ah, failed again. Strange car's turn. Wow, another victory. A clean run. Next up, the stairway challenge. This time, the red car climbs up pretty fast. Yeah, awesome. Finally, cleared one challenge. Will the tank continue its winning streak? Let's rewind a bit. Amazing. 3 straight wins. Now, the tractor. It's struggling step by step. Ah, too bad. No wins here. Rubber band car. Stuck again. No comeback this time. Finally, the strange car. Oh, it gave up on the final challenge. Congrats to the tank, the ultimate champion. But wait, there's more. Let's check out the tug-of-war between the red car and the rubber band car. Rubber's taking the lead. Yes, rubber band car wins. Now, the strange car enters the ring. This is intense. I see the winner already. It's strange car. Next opponent, the tank. Wow, strange car dominates again. How about against the tractor? Come on, make it a winning streak. And congrats! Strange Car wins the tug-of-war challenge. How did you feel about today's challenge? Leave a comment below. What's up, LEGO lovers? Today's mission: escape the deep mud pit without getting stuck. Can our LEGO creation make it across? Let's see. First up, the Twin Tread Crusher. Mud grips its wheels tightly. The gears and motor are completely swamped. Gets stuck after just 25 centimeters. Next contender, the Crawler Tank. Its tracks scoop up even more mud than the first. Yet it powers through. Buried in sludge, its tracks and suspension never quit. And it makes it. Car number 3, the tank. It flips over, but keeps fighting forward, giving it everything it's got. 55 centimeters. Now entering the paddle walker. It creeps into the mud pit. Disaster strikes. Mud devours its wheels and paddles. Still, it battles onward. Beating the twin tread with 35 centimeters. Final challenger, the grip tank. Off to the strongest start yet. No, it flips upside down. Balance lost. Mere 23 centimeters. Crawler tank takes the crown. Congrats!